How to use voice effects in TikTok or Reels properly. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now as you tap on it, you can simply click a random video over here. So I'm going to make a long press and click a video for a few seconds. Then simply tap on the arrow down button over here at the right side of the screen. So here you can simply see there's no option over here. So I'm going to tap on the check mark at the right side of the screen. As we do that, you can see the option of arrow down button again. So tap on it and here you can simply add your voice over here. So let's tap on voice and you can now change your voice or record a voiceover. So if you want to use voice effects, you can simply select among any of these effects over here, and then you'll be able to just record and use this voice effect in your TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.